tayo ng hot spring dito sa Bagao, tabi ng Sierra Madre, bundukan ng Sierra Madre. Sama ko si Elo, si Young Kel. Tapos pansit ang baon namin. Let's go.
Sa dinami-rami ng mga tao, sa hinaba-haba ng panahon, sa nilawak-lawak ng mundo, nahanap kita. Para bang pabura sa
Miguel, ito yung kwan? Hot spring yan?
yes.
Yes, daan dito yung Bagao, hot spring. As they come to Sierra Madre. Ayan, Miguel, tama?
Puunti siya.
Puunti Sierra Madre, kano ko na lang, Miguel. Girl, ayan. Ma'am, bakit may life vest?
Kailangan kasi ito.
Kailangan daw may life vest para hindi malunod si Elo.
Maluto yung ba yung
Thank you, ate,
itlog doon,
ah.
ma'am?
Sir?
Maluto yung itlog doon?
Hindi sir, malasado lang.
Malasado. Thank you, ate.
Just wanna be found. Ooh, I've been lost. I just wanna be found. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense, give me a sense, give me a sense of forward motion. We need to keep on going. We need to keep on going. We need to be forward thinkers. I need an intervention, divine intervention, you know. Only in my crucial moments do they pay attention carefully.
Uy! Guys, naulan. Naulan kami ng hot spring. Hello guys. Say hi. Hello. Basahin yung taas. Facebook. Hindi na po din eh. Para lalim oh. Ah! Nawala ng talo. Ah! Nawala ng talo. Tangina. Guys, tama, let's go! Agad po, yellow.